Hey Siri, take me to RKA.
Getting directions to RKA Luggage. Starting route to RKA Luggage. Head southwest on Ottoboni Drive.
Hey Senna, volume down.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Cloverdale Boulevard. You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
Okay, arriving at RKA. And we usually park the bike out in front, but I'm going to point it right into the door because we're going to take it inside and set it up for a little video today. So we're going to go right between here, and stick them down in here, and there we can grab the other end of the zip tie and just pull it through nice and neat. And we're going to loop it. And snug it down like that. Same on the right side. We're going to run the zip tie through here and just pull it through. Same scenario, run it all the way up. Like so. The buckles are going to go on. There is a top and a bottom on the buckles, so make sure you get them installed correctly. Same way with the other side. There is a top and a bottom. Make sure you put them in correctly through the front. Loop it back through the back. Tighten it down. Now, if the buckle is like this, it's not tight. If the buckle is like this, it's tight. Now we'll come back later and we'll shorten these up when we're ready to install the bag. So here's our 36-liter rack bag. This is the bottom, goes under the rack. This piece here is adjustable for different size racks. This one is sewn on permanently. Now we're going to slide it on underneath the rack here. So we'll take the bag and it's going to go on underneath the rack and forward just like that. Now over on the right side, we've already installed these buckles, and that one's going to click right in there, and we're going to snug it down. And then this one over here, again, we've already installed these buckles. And there you go. So let's take a quick tour of this bag. First of all, it's all finished and lined in the main compartment. So we're going to open it up. There's the inside. And then it has 3 side pockets. Actually 2 side pockets and a back pocket. This one holds a whole bunch of stuff. This back pocket is where I keep things I want to get to quickly. And then there's another one on this side. Now the bag actually expands, but you can use the expansion without expanding it. So now it's open. You have an organizer up here for keys, pins, iPhone. You can put maps in the mesh pocket here, and the bag is expandable now. So we'll take this zipper and zip it around. And now the bag is actually expandable. So we're going to close it back down. And another interesting thing about it, the zipper never leaves the runner. It stays on there.